This is Blue on Adventures.
This is Blue on Adventures.
We're having a good time in Vermont.
And this is Vermont.
Hook that's going flying over there.
Oh my God! Yes, it is now.
Holy
Bro,
smoke.
that is cool.
Holy smoke.
Small sticks, preferably, and we're gonna start breaking them up, okay?
Okay.
Small fire, turn it into a big fire. That's a woodpecker.
Oh, come on.
Bingo.
Victorious!
Why did you say bingo?
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm going to
Bingo.
do it
It's
anyway.
bingo.
What number were you collecting?
5.
Well, you already put the 5 down. We would have never gotten the
And Gio and Bingo was his name.
All right.
Taco.
Cat.
Go.
Chess.
Pizza.
Okay. Cat.
Ooh.
Go.
Here comes Uncle Mike.
Big gorilla.
Cat.
Go.
My chest hurts.
Do I wait? Taco.
You take your one card.
Your little wheezes. Taco.
Cat.
Kitty.
Goat. Cheese.
Okay, not do this.
That was the right thing though.
The sun.
Oh, it went away already.
Oh.
Dang. In part 2 of this video, we're all going to scale Mount Mansfield, the highest point in Vermont, which is right about here. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it.